questions that you may encounter. Then we can try to apply this idea. Where is my textbook? Okay, take out your textbook, turn to page 140, exercise 5.1. 140. Let us try question 1. Okay?
The whole 5.1, no right?
No, follow me. We do together first.
Oh, okay.
140. Cannot. I must learn from your other teachers already. Don't let you go toilet already.
Huh?
We love math.
First lesson only why you go toilet. Right.
Because we love math.
Then okay lah, let you go after this question. Okay. So when we read the question, first we must know what the question is asking us to do. The question says solve the following equations. So what it means? Solve the following equation means for part A, we want to find out what must be this value of x that will balance this equation, that will make left and right the same. Okay? So when they say solve the equation, it means we want to find out what is the value of the unknown. The value that at first we don't know. 9 we know already, 18 we know already. We only don't know what is x. So solving the equation means we want to find out what is this unknown. So to find out what is this value of x, I must write equivalent equations until x is alone on one side. Then I will know already that x is the same as what is this number here. Okay, so that is the meaning of solving the equation, and this is the step that you need to do to solve the equation, to find out what is the value of x. So x plus 9 equals to 18. I know that my endpoint, left hand side only got x. So at first I start with got x, got a plus 9. So I must remove the plus 9. How do I remove plus 9?
I thought we just take 18 minus.
Yeah, we are taking 18 minus 9.
Why do you do so complicated? Minus 9. Why you cannot? Oh.
Because later you will see. Okay? Why you minus 9 is correct, but why you minus 9 is because you want to get rid of this plus 9. Okay? You were skipping one step when you say you straight away minus 9. But then when numbers get more complicated or the equations get more complicated, it is better that you know the basics. So don't just memorize you minus 9, but you know why you minus 9. Okay? After you know why you minus 9, you can straight away minus 9.
So why do we minus the 9?
Because we want to remove the 9. Because finally I only want x.
Oh,
I only want x. Then I can know what is x.
But by doing that, how do you even get that x?
The equation tells you that left hand side got x plus 9. Right hand side got 18.
Yeah.
I want to know what is x.
Yeah, you want to know what is x, but you remove the 9, you will not know what to plus and minus. So even the x become more mystery.
No, once I minus 9, I remove my left hand side, x plus 9 minus 9, this thing sure becomes 0. I purposely make it become 0 so that I only have x on one side.
Oh.
Okay? I purposely choose this number minus 9 so that this whole thing can become 0 and I only have x on one side. Okay? So when 18 minus 9, I can find out that x must be 9 for this equation to be correct. X must be 9. So if I put it back, 9 plus 9, left hand side is 18, right hand side is also 18. Okay? So part B is actually the same. I am finding what must be A, so that A plus 12 equals to 2. Okay? If you can straight away see, then you can straight away say what is the value of A. But if you cannot straight away see the value of A, you can write equivalent equation until the unknown is on one side and we put all the numbers on the other side. So how can I go from A plus 12 to become only A? Means I want to remove 12. I purposely minus 12 so that this pair will become 0. Then I can only have A. I can have only A. And because I minus 12 on left, I must minus 12 on the right. Which is why A plus 0 is equals to 10 minus 12. A is equals to negative 2. Okay? C. M plus 7 equals to negative 20. Again, it may not be easy to see what must be M so that M plus 7 is negative 20. But I can write equivalent equation until if my M is on one side, then I will know what must be the number of M that can make this correct. So to remove 7, I will need to minus 7 because this will make left hand side only M. And because I minus 7 on one side, I do the same thing on the right hand side. Okay? Some of you, maybe your brother teach you, your sister teach you, or your tuition teacher teach you, you straight away go to the next step without knowing what is happening. Okay? Which is why I say don't go to tuition. Tuition teachers, no good. I am better.
My tuition teacher was once a teacher.
I was once a tuition teacher.
Yeah. And she was once a teacher.
I was once a tuition teacher. But now I become an even better teacher.
So my tuition teacher is my cousin.
Too bad. You cannot fire your tuition teacher because of she's your family. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Then those who want to go toilet, go toilet. Okay, T plus 16 equals to 0. So also same. I want to do something until the unknown is alone on one side. Then I put all the numbers on one side. Then I will know already what must be T to make this correct. So here got 16, but finally I don't want the 16. So I must get rid of the 16. And because I minus 16 on left, I must also minus 16 on the right. This will become 0. So I will left with T.
Negative 16.
0 minus 16, so negative 16 is the answer. Okay, those who want to go toilet, go toilet. Just nice. You all take a break, then we go to the next question. Okay. The whole idea is exactly the same one. No matter how complicated the equation gets, as long as you have this idea that we are writing equivalent equations until we make the unknown on one side, we can solve any linear equation from set 1 until university also can solve.